Not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain to mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down.
Good. What's going on, guys? How's it going? So me and Anthony came out to a little car meet this evening. I brought the 240, he brought his Camry, and no, so we're just we stopped. We're on the way back over in Sanford, and we stopped at an old little drift spot that we used to tear up back in the day. Haven't been here in probably 6-7 years, but we drove around. There's nobody out here, so the 240 needs an engine harness. It's running super rich. It's not getting a oh, by the way, motors in the 240 running, driving, broken in, everything's good. I kind of didn't film much of the engine process because I just didn't have time. I was trying to get the motor done as soon as possible. Everything went together good. Have some pictures of it, post them here. But anyways, 240 is running good, besides the fact that it's not getting a coolant temp signal from the ECU, and the harness is just like hacked up previous owner. So I get fuel cut and it's running stupid rich, but I'm just gonna mess around with it and see how it does out here. I haven't really slid it much, but just gonna try to do a couple circles. If the fuel cut holds off, then I'll start sliding around a little bit. But I guess that's what you guys are gonna see real quick.
Jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain to mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. It's a war zone. Say you ready and prepared, take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's fun to clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, I'm cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop. And the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
The sending unit out of the tank. I think so anytime you go to transfer to the right or do a circle to the right or anything to the right, it gets fuel cut. Last time I had something like that happen, the fuel pump that zip tied to the sending unit was actually, the zip tie broke and the fuel pump was just sloshing around in there. So I think there's an issue with the sump or something in the tank causing it to get fuel cut. I mean, it runs pretty good besides the fuel cut. It's running really rich, but you know, it is what it is. I wanted to fill it out. I'm not a huge fan of the, it has cut knuckles and extended lower control arms. I just feel like they're janky. It doesn't feel very predictable at all. I don't know. Maybe I just got to get used to it. Never really had Eagle mods before, but Ann's car. So yeah, let me catch you guys up on that. So I got the motor done with this. It runs good. I got it all assembled. There was no issues whatsoever. Got it back in the car. Probably has about 200 miles on it already. Runs great. Haven't had an issue yet besides that fuel cut problem. It's only when I'm trying to slide it around or something. But Anthony's car up here, he has a Mark II GX90. Oh, speed. Oh, big old pothole. But yeah, so the GX90 over here, my buddy Anthony, we got the coilovers and the wheels on. This thing looks super duper fresh. Hope you guys can hear me all right. But yeah, this thing is just a unit, dude. It is absolutely beautiful. So this thing's stock right now. It has the 6-cylinder that came in it from Japan or whatever, automatic. But he just picked up a 2J yesterday. He had a 2JZ or 2JZ GTE, and he ended up selling it. But now he just got another one yesterday. So we're sourcing the parts to get a 2J in this car. We're going to go NAT. He's really excited about it. It's going to be a unit. The car is beautiful, but yeah, this thing has just such a freaking list of stuff that I want to do to it. And I don't have a garage right now at my disposal like I usually do, but you know, I'm going to do what I can. So I got the KN running. I think I'm going to order a wiring specialties harness for it. Due to the fact that the OEM harness in this thing is just completely hacked up, and I feel like it'd be less of a headache to try to figure everything out that's already been screwed with, electrical taped and swapped wires around everything. Just buy a clean harness and either do that, get the KA running really good like it's supposed to be, throw a turbo on it, be done, or you know, drive it a little bit with this. Get the body work, which I have been working on the body work and shit too. But it's, see you later, bud. But I have been working on the body work also in this thing. And let me downshift real quick. So I know you can't hear me right now. Well, yeah, so I've been working on the body work. Got a bunch of couple spots of the rust on the hatch and the roof worked on. Going to be ordering a body kit very soon. I want to get the body kit on, hood done, get it painted, just so it looks up to par. Like, I hate driving shit boxes around, but everyone seems to like the ratchet, like freaking 240 look. There's so many people that come up to this thing, it's unbelievable, and I just think it's a big pile of poop. But I guess, I don't know, they see something else potential, I guess. But yeah, dude, so I've been driving this thing around, man. It's a blast. I've been having fun with it. It needs a list of stuff done to it, but yeah, dude, I really want to slap something in this thing that makes more than 90 horsepower. It's kind of underpowered, especially compared to like what I'm driving.